Right now, your life is repeating itself. Same thoughts, same habits, same excuses. You say you want change, but nothing actually changes. And deep down, you know this version of you is not your final form. You are stuck in a loop. You wake up, check your phone, delay your work, chase comfort, and promise yourself you will start tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. Days turn into weeks. Weeks turn into months. And your potential slowly fades while you watch others move ahead. This is not bad luck. This is not because you lack talent. This is because you lack discipline. You are not tired. You are distracted. You are not confused. You are avoiding discomfort. And every time you choose comfort over effort, you train yourself to stay average. If nothing changes, the next 30 days will look exactly like the last 30. But if you decide today, really decide, everything can shift. For the next 30 days, you need to become someone else. Not by motivation, but by action. You wake up early. No negotiation. You move your body every single day. Even when you don't feel like it, you cut the distractions. Less scrolling, less wasting time. You do the hard task first, not last. You keep your promises to yourself, no matter how small. It will feel uncomfortable. You will want to quit after a few days. Your mind will tell you to slow down, to rest, to go back to the old version of you. Do not listen, because this is the moment where most people fail. They wait to feel ready. They wait for motivation. But the truth is, you become strong by doing hard things when you don't feel like it. Every time you choose discipline, you are building a new identity. Not in theory, not in your thoughts, in your actions. Day by day, something starts to change. Your focus becomes sharper. Your confidence grows. You stop doubting yourself because you are finally doing what you said you would do. And then one day, you look back, and you don't recognize the person you used to be. Not because life became easy, but because you became stronger. Understand this clearly. No one is coming to fix your life. No one is going to force you to become better. It is you. Only you. So make this decision right now. Not tomorrow, not next week. Right now. For the next 30 days, you show up. You stay disciplined. You choose growth over comfort every single time. And if you do that, you won't recognize yourself.